At Easy Drains, we love serving our clients quickly and effectively. Therefore, we're committed to a 1 hour response time for drain clearance from only £44.50. In addition to this, we understand that drain issues can happen at the most inconvenient times. As a result, we're committed to running our services around the clock, 24 hours a day. Due to our team's vast experience in the trade, we specialise in a large range of services for our customers in the southwest of the UK and much further afield. These include block drain services, drain repairs, CCTV surveys and drain relining services. Still hesitant to use us? Just check out our testimonials page on our website where you can see our reviews from customers. Furthermore, if you like what you see, why don't you fill out our quick contact form to let us know what problems you're having, or alternatively give us a call on our emergency line on 0333 939 8773.